Hello my friends, welcome back to Earth to Rocco. Today we're going to be creating an Italian dish called Scarpaccia. Scarpaccia is a very popular dish in Tuscany and it's known as a zucchini pie or flatbread. It's a seasonal dish often enjoyed in the summer months when zucchini are abundant. Scarpaccia is derived from the Tuscan word scarpa, which means shoe. That's because it's traditionally very thin and flat, resembling the sole of a shoe. It's a traditional dish that highlights the simplicity of Italian cuisine. It only uses a few simple ingredients and it's really easy to make. Scarpaccia can be served as an appetizer, side dish, or a light main course. It's often enjoyed at room temperature or slightly warm. But hey, I even like it cold. And what I like the most about this recipe is it's naturally vegan. No substitutes here. Let me show you just how easy it is to make this dish. So I'm starting with 4 medium zucchini and 2 small onions. We want these thinly and consistently sliced. I'm using a mandolin slicer for this. It's important that they're thin so that they crisp up in the oven. To the bowl, I'm going to add some salt and black pepper. Then mix everything together using your hands and gently squeeze the vegetables to extract some of the juices. Move the vegetables into a colander and place the bowl on the bottom. Put a plate on top and place some weight over it in order to extract the juices from the vegetables. I'm using 2 cans of beans for this. Allow this to sit for about 2 hours. So my zucchini and onions have been pressing for about 2 hours. I'm going to remove the colander from the bowl and you can see that a lot of the liquid has rendered off. This liquid is going to help to make our batter. So to the zucchini liquid, I'm going to add in a cup of flour and 1/3 cup of cornmeal. We're also going to add a tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to mix it well until it resembles a creamy batter. This batter is a little too thick, so I'm going to add in a little bit of water. So it should be thick, but pretty runny. Now we'll mix in the zucchini and onions. You want to make sure the batter is evenly distributed with the vegetables. The tray I have here is about 16 by 21 inches. I lined it with parchment paper and I'm going to brush it with some olive oil. I'm going to transfer the mixture into the tray. Now I'm going to spread it out into a flat, even layer. Now I'm going to use my hands to make sure it's evenly spread out and pressed down. Don't worry if you don't get all the way to the edges of the tray. The idea is to get the vegetables as flat as possible without any gaps. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil on the top. Then sprinkle some dried rosemary. Let's take it over to the oven. Bake it in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 to 45 minutes until the top is golden brown. After pulling it out of the oven, allow the scarpaccia to cool in the tray for about 1 hour before cutting. It's incredible how the simplicity of just zucchini, onions, and rosemary can pack so much flavor. It's so crispy, sweet, and fresh. Thank you for joining me and making this delicious zucchini scarpaccia. Hit the like button if you really like this video and make sure to subscribe if you want to see more recipes like this one. Head on over to earthtorocco.com to find all the ingredients and instructions for this recipe and my full collection of vegan recipes. Scarpaccia later!